Hello friends, today's question. A sonometer wire resonates with a given tuning fork, forming standing waves with 5 antinodes between two bridges when a mass of 9 kg is suspended from the wire. When this mass is replaced by M, the wire resonates with the same tuning fork, forming 3 antinodes for the same position of the bridges. The value of M is. So this is, you can say, directly based on the formula itself. And we know that the fundamental frequency of a wire is given by N upon 2L multiplied by square root of T upon mu, where T is a tension, N is the, you can say, nodes associated with, antinodes rather, associated with the wire, and mu is the linear mass density. So we directly start from formula itself, which gives us that fundamental frequency of the wire, it is given as f of n is equal to n upon 2L square root of T divided by mu, and T is the tension in the string, mu is the linear mass density, and N is the nodes associated, antinodes, associated with this fundamental frequency. So we have two conditions. In the first condition, it is given that the number of antinodes are 5. So let us call that as N1 is 5, and the mass is suspended, that is 9 kg. So the tension will be equal to 9 multiplied by G. So if we substitute this into the main formula, we can write that our f of 5 is equal to 5 upon 2L square root of 9G divided by mu. And for the second case, this is 5 antinodes, and in the second case the number of antinodes are 3, and the mass now is our M, which we are supposed to find out. So tension in the string will be related with T is equal to mg. So once again you can write the formula that F3 will be equal to 3 upon 2L square root of mg upon mu, and it is given that the resonant is with the same tuning fork. Okay, so therefore F3 will be equal to F5. You can say frequency of the tuning fork is same, so therefore F3 is equal to F5. So we make the respective substitution. We get 3 upon 2L square root of mg upon mu is equal to 5 upon 2L square root of 9g upon mu. This 2L goes with 2L, and this square root of mu also going, and we can write this will be equal to 3. Okay, G will be also cancelled out, so we are left with square root of M is equal to 5, and square root of 9 will be equal to 3. So the 3 also cancels, so therefore we can get that value of M will be equal to 25 kg. So this is the value of M, and the option that are given to us, option number B is the correct option. Option B is correct. Okay, so this question was quite simple, directly based on the formula. This completes the question. Thank you.